Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you what to do if your Android device won't download or install apps. Installing an apps is a necessary step in Android and it's a daily based process. If you are unable to install apps from Play Store, then this video is genuinely for you. So don't worry about it, I'll tell you how you can fix this. You guys have to simply open up settings on your mobile phone. So after opening up settings in your mobile phone, here you guys have to just simply tap on apps. After tapping on apps, here you guys have to just select see all apps. Here you guys have to simply select Google Play Store. Here it is. You guys have to simply tap on storage and cache. So after tapping on storage and cache, you guys have to simply tap on clear cache. So it is the first step to fix this. And what is the second step? The second step is you guys have to simply go back and go to permissions. And here you guys have to allow all the permissions like contacts, and like nearby devices, and you have to allow all. So after allowing all, you guys can fix your issue. So that's how you can fix your issue if your Android device won't download or install apps. So that's all for today guys, hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.